अमरीका में पाकिस्तानी सफ़ीर ने जंगबंदी मुआहदे में लेबनान के शामिल होने की तस्दीक कर दी। रिजवान सईद शेख ने अमरीकी नशरियाती इदारे को इंटरव्यू में वाज़ेह किया कि मुज़ाकराती अमल की कामयाबी राजदारी की मुतकाज़ी है। जंगबंदी की खिलाफ वर्जियों से मुआहदा खतरे में पड़ सकता है।
Prime Minister Sharif saying it is. Can you clarify what the parties of this war have agreed to there?
Understanding has come from the highest level in Pakistan, so it could not have been more authentic in terms of the offer made by the Prime Minister and accepted by the two conflicting parties of affording a ceasefire for 2 weeks. So it could not have been more authentic, and the understandings associated with it could not have been more true. But of course, this is a situation of a ceasefire that could be disrupted, and there have been instances in the past where ceasefires have been disrupted.